episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that was sent to me by Ferengi from Australia. Thank you so much. This is Indomie Soto Spesial. This has something in it called koya guri. And I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. But anyways, it's kind of like, from what I got of it, it's kind of like if you take a cracker and you crumbled it up and you fried it. Kinda. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Ah. Yeah, so what's happening? Still in the middle of that heat wave I've mentioned on previous shows. And it's, you know, it's doing. And, yeah. Got some interesting things to review today. I am still low on noodles. I need to go and turn it down. It's 8:59 a.m. and the noise is already making me ready to scream at the children. It's like, no. Too early for that. Yeah. Noodle doodle. And really? Turn it down a notch. The next two that I have are fascinating varieties. This one should be pretty good. It's Thursday. Only 2 more days till my boy's birthday. That's good. It's you're watching episodes that are coming out in January. Wow. That's nuts. It's only a few weeks till the kids are back in school after summer, and by the time this episode's come back, or by the time this episode comes back, or comes out, they will be back from Christmas break. So, my goal was to be able to try to do 4 reviews a day all the way up until they go back to school, and then be done. Not like forever, but basically take the next 4 months off of reviewing, stockpile noodles, and just do unboxings and top 10 lists. It's a good way to do it. It's like the other, what was it? Right when summer started, I did 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and I got 60 reviews done. And I think it was already almost like 150 reviews ahead, and then now I'm getting close to being 200 reviews ahead after taking off like well over a month from that. Just like not doing so much reviewing. So it's kind of like on again, off again, and but it works for me. So yeah. It's like I didn't do really any reviewing in May and June. I don't know that I did all that much in July either. No, July is when I started doing some, that's right. But now it's August. In fact, it's mid-August. So, yeah, we got hot weather here. It's in the 90s. Been walking. I almost got 10 miles in yesterday. It's like I'm trying to get these reviews done as quickly as possible and then get out into that. And then it's like not working out so great. Not getting stuff done quickly enough. Okay, come on. We're just gonna cut these straight across right here. This one seems to be kind of not perfectly, what's the word? Sealed. That happens sometimes. So the seal isn't perfect, but at least it's not a liquid sachet. When that happens with a liquid sachet, I just can't review it. But that powder stuff I just put in, that is the koya gure. Agure. Here's our oil. Seasoned oil. Wait till you see the next one I'm doing. You'll be like, that's not noodles. It's not noodles. The next one is totally not noodles. But it's definitely tied into noodles. You'll see. Well, this one's from Indonesia. The next one I'm doing is from South Korea. So here we are, Spesial Soto from Indonesia's own Indomie. A big player in the instant noodle world. Here is the noodle. Give that a try. Yes. Seems to be more of a chicken soto, I think. That's good. It's got like a peppery, slight bit of thickness to the broth. I think that's from the koya. And a little bit of heat. It's nice. I like it. So what are we going to do to this? Boy, I'm kind of reaching here. I should have used that bowl. So I've got an Indomie bowl, but guess what? It doesn't fit anything. It's too deep, so if I use it, you're just going to get like so much shadow on the back end of it that it's like something I can't really do. It's untenable, folks. So there's that. I'm going to throw a couple fish ball in. It's really not the standard. You can pretend it's a beef ball. I know. I got spring onion. I think foregoing that, we're going to go with some fried onion. Fried onion and some beef, some crushed red pepper, and we're gonna call it good. I'm not gonna go any further than that. I think that's kind of gonna work out. There we go. Do it to it. Well, cool. That's a tasty variety. I like that one a lot. Very nice. And so that was sent by one of the moderators from the Ramen Junkies group, Ferengi. So was this. This is Samyang Foods and their Bulldog butter chicken curry sauce. This one was sent by the Fat Hipster. You can check out the Fat Hipster by going and typing in The Fat Hipster on YouTube. So with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider. Yep, it's a boiling bag, so I'm going to get the water boiling, get it going, take pictures of this stuff, and I'll be back for tomorrow's episode. This was Oz the Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.